despair, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have another on feet look, but this is going to be of the 2024 Air Jordan 11 Columbias or Legend Blues, whichever one you want to call it. I've already done a on feet look of the 2014, and talked about like the comparisons and stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys what these look like on feet, and then let you guys know about size and comfortability when it comes to this actual pair. This is something you guys requested, so I hope you enjoy it. Remember, run up those likes, and if it's your first time tapping in, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. Now, without further ado, let's get right up into it. So as you guys can see, we have a newer pair, because my 2014 pair are yellow and brown and all that stuff, but of the Air Jordan 11. So we have a predominantly white upper, we have that patent leather, and this patent leather, they did hit us with the higher cut patent leather. So it's not the low one that stopped about here. It actually is a little bit higher, as you guys can see right there. So I do like that concept. I like the higher cut more than I do the lower cut. And as you guys can see, the upper leather is not too bad. It's actually pretty good. As we go around the front end of the sneaker, we have that translucent blue bottom. We have the patent leather on the toe box. And then we have the white mesh tongue with the blue strap going across of it. White laces. You're not going to get any other laces with these, like every other Jordan 11. Same thing on the right one. As you guys can see right here, as we look at the right side sneaker, same thing. Looking towards the back, you do have that UNC or Columbia blue, Legend blue Jumpman logo right there. As we go into the back end, one of the things I pointed out in the comparison video, this Jordan 11, the booty and the shoe is just a little bit slimmer than the past release of 2014. But as you guys can see right here, you got the 2-3 in black and white, patent leather, all that good stuff. The stitching and everything is straight on it. On the bottom, you had a translucent blue with the black pods and the carbon fiber, all that great things. The white Jumpman logo. Same thing on this one. On the inner side of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, there go the carbon fiber plate. All in all, super clean sneaker. When it comes to sizing, I will say this one fits a little bit tighter than the 2014. I feel like it's a little bit slimmer. So I'm definitely going to say a half a size up. You can't hurt going true to size, but half a size up to me, because they are a little bit more snug than the 2014. Comfortability wise, same thing as the 2014. I'm going to say, 7.5 out of 10. You know, it's not bad. Not the greatest, but definitely not bad. And when it comes to the overall aesthetic of the sneaker, the Jordan 11s are iconic. It's an all-white colorway, and this one is crispy. This one is nice. The blue is icy still. So I'm definitely gonna say a 9 out of 10 when it comes to the overall aesthetic of this sneaker. But y'all comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts and opinions. And as I said, it is a detailed review of them already on the channel in a comparison video to the 2014 pair. But y'all let me know if y'all going for these. I hope this video kind of help you guys to see what y'all gonna get when it comes to this 2014 pair. But y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Jordans right here, they're just bait. Worth me to share my faith. Hey, good luck on this drop, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack.